Hello, and welcome to the City of Murrieta Trails Master Plan Workshop Presentation. My name is Zachary Meeting, and I'll guide you through this video. The purpose of this Trails Master Plan is to develop a guide and implementation and management tool for the development of trails within the City of Murrieta. Most importantly, it's developed based on the local community needs for trail infrastructure. The process is broken up into 5 stages. First, an extensive review of the existing condition, followed by community outreach. We'll go out to the community and identify with them the needs and wants based on the existing conditions. Then we weigh those two, develop a needs analysis, and provide recommendations based on the local community input, ultimately tying together funding and implementation strategies. In approximately a 12-month timeline, we'll go through all of those stages. You can see where we are here today, developing the Workshop 1 presentation. As we proceed, we'll look at all of the existing documents that have been done before, such as the Murrieta General Plan, the Murrieta Creek Regional Trail Project, as well as any other information so we can remain consistent with past planning efforts. We also look at the demographics for the region. In 2023, the Murrieta total population was just over 119,000 people. We also look at the age ranges of those people and the different breakdowns, and how might those ages recreate differently on trails. As we develop the trail inventory, we'll look at their geographic location, where they are across the city, where their connectivity is, where potential connectivity is, as well as the trail conditions and usage patterns by the community. You can see here that there are a number of trails scattered throughout the community and the region alike. As part of this process, we'll go through an extensive community engagement outreach process where we'll have stakeholder interviews, statistically valid multimodal survey, 3 in-person community workshops followed by online surveys, as well as a project website. On that project website, MurrietaTrailsMasterPlan.com, you can click on the feedback button there at any point in time during this process and share your direct thoughts with the planning team. I encourage you to take the survey available from February 15th through February 29th. Click on the link below. Also, follow along at MurrietaTrailsMasterPlan.com to see the evolution of the project, as well as how you can get involved in future workshop and outreach opportunities. Thank you very much for watching this video presentation. I look forward to hearing your thoughts and ideas as we continue the development of the Trails Master Plan.